Hi guys, this is Lucietta Park introducing you to the second episode of Korean for Beginners series. In this video, we'll be learning 5 more vowels. By the way, if you haven't already checked out the first episode, you should go and see that first because in that video we covered many things, many difficult and many important things like the history of Hangul, how the letters are arranged in Korean, and the stroke orders. Now I'll just do a basic recap of what we have learned in the previous lesson. This is pronounced like A as in car. This is pronounced like O as in ball, towel, etc. This is pronounced like E as in B, C, etc. This is pronounced like O as in go, bow, etc. This is pronounced like U as in poop, do, tattoo, etc. This consonant has no sound at the start of a syllable. There are 2 ways to write a syllable. First, the consonant at the left part and the vowel at the right. Second, the consonant at the top and the vowel at the bottom. The first vowel that we're going to be learning today is this. Now, we see that this is really similar to A, but instead of having just one small line to its right, it has 2 small lines, and that extra line also gives it a Y sound at the start. Basically, if we add 2 lines to the vowel A instead of just one, we get a Y sound at the start. Here's the stroke order. Now, let's talk about the second vowel, which is this. This seems a bit similar to O, right? And just like ya, it has 2 small lines instead of one attached to its left side. The extra line also gives us a Y sound at the start. The stroke order goes like this with this vowel. The third vowel is this. Now you are already acquainted with the system and how it goes, right? Here, this vowel is pronounced like yo, and instead of having just one small vertical line from O, it has 2, which also adds a Y sound to the vowel. The stroke order of this vowel goes like this. The fourth vowel is this. This vowel is pronounced like U, as in you, just you. And just like the last 3 vowels, we add a little extra line to give a Y sound to the U vowel. Now its stroke order goes like this. Now, weren't you wondering why the small line adds a Y sound? I sure was. So, do you remember the letter E, which is also written as a straight line? Why don't you try to pronounce the vowel ya as E plus A? If we say it really fast, we get ya, right? Ya, 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 ya. Now, try pronouncing the other vowels the same way. E plus the vowel. We get E plus A, ya. E plus O, yo. E plus O, yo. E plus U, you. Mystery solved. Did you get it? It is even much more fun and easier than the English alphabet, don't you think? Now let's focus on the last vowel, which is a bit different than the last 4. Now remember the vowel E, it is just a vertical line. But if we make that vertical line into a horizontal one, we get this vowel, and this has the sound of U as in run, gun or umbrella. There's one more pattern that I want you to know. Until now we have learned all the basic 10 vowels in Korean. Now let's take the vowels A, ya, O, yo, E, and let's turn them sideways to the left side. What do we get? O, yo, U, you, Now, isn't that a fun way to remember all the vowels? Now, why did I teach you those patterns? It's because learning this pattern is gonna help you write the vowels as full syllables. Here, the standing line or the first line of vowels follow the first method of organizing the letters in a syllable, the consonant at the left and the vowel at the right. The second line of vowels follow the second method. By that I mean the consonant at the top and the vowel at the bottom. I'm sure that this method is gonna help you very much later on. Alright guys, that was basically everything that I wanted to say in the video, but just like the last video, I'll still be providing vocabulary lists so you, after learning Hangul, can check back at this video and do a bit of practice.
Omma, mom, casual. Omoni, mom, more formal. Appa, father, casual. Abaji, father, formal. Hyung, older brother, said only by younger males. Oppa, older brother, said only by younger females. Nuna, older sister, said only by younger males. Onni, older sister, said only by younger females.